So this diagram depicts the marketing and sales functional areas exchange between the customers and with the human resources and various other departments such as accounting and finance and supply chain management. So here is the customer put the sales order. So once he sales order, he'll reply with respect to the order status. So here he is a supply chain manager. So he will provide to the sales forecast and the sales orders. That is product availability data and the order status. This is from the accounts and finance. He'll provide the sales order data and cost profit analysis being exchanged between them. So in between is the marketing and sales. So you could see how does this marketing and sales being integrated with the customer, human resource, and the accounts and finance and supply chain management. So he is acting a major player, right? That is in terms of integrating all these four departments. Is it or not? So overall, I have just explained the various functional areas of the functions of the all these four departments. Supply chain management is the active management. So supply chain activities covers everything from the product development, sourcing, production, and logistics. So supply chain management, it acquires the information from the various functional areas. So with accurate data about the required production levels, raw materials and packagings can be ordered as needed. So these are all the, as I said, what is supply chain management? Overall, you need to understand supply chain management has to keep track of what sort of raw materials we should be purchased on, what sort of raw materials we should keep in an inventory in order to see that the production goes on very smoothly with respect to the labor and a machine, and also to see that it satisfies the market demand, right? Functions within the supply chain management. So making the coffee, buying a raw material, that is the objective of the supply chain management with respect to the case study of a coffee. Production planning requires sales forecast from marketing and sales. The sales forecast analyzes the that attempt to predict the future sales of a product. So what are the raw materials? Bottled spring water, fresh lemons, artificial sweetener, raw sugar. All these are the raw materials that is being required to prepare a coffee. The packaging raw materials consist of cups, straws, and napkins. All these are the raw materials being required to supply the coffee. The supply chain management and the marketing and sales must choose a recipe for each coffee product sold. Okay. So these are all the overall functionalities that the supply see. So there are many diagrams. So first of all, how does this marketing team does integrates with the other departments? marketing and sales, how does it integrates with all the other department? Similarly, how does the supply chain management does integrate with the all the functional areas? How does the supply chain management does integrate with the various departments such as HR, marketing and sales, accounts and finance? So here in the case supply chain is integrating all these four departments. Fine. So before I go to the accounting and finance, just have a recap. So what we have studied, so we have focused on the four departments basically, right? So again, see if I scroll through, all the things are the same. Accounting and finance, all those things are again here. Account and finance has been integrated in between, and finally we have a HR. How does the human resource being integrating with the other departments? Then we have a network analysis, right? Uh, and few other concepts before we ended this session, right? So my objective is try to understand these concepts first of all. You focus on this table. This is a major table. Once you understand the concepts of the various functional areas such as marketing, sales, supply chain, accounting and finance, you could integrate in between as one department, and the functions of marketing and sales with respect to one of the scenario of a coffee shop, this could be analyzed. Fine. Similarly, if you know the functions of supply chain management, in brief I said supply chain management, it is to maintain the raw materials and the other things. So you have to explain how does it integrates. So packaging, see all these things, when you understand how does the supply chain management does integrates with the various other departments such as accountant, finance, so marketing and sales, HR and the supplier. So as of now, today I'll stop the session. It just started at exactly 9:15. So I could give the attendance on the chat session, those who have not given. And this is the last but one session of this module 4. So before I start with the module 5, I'll take one more session in this week to finish up this module 4.